In this video, I would like to discuss another challenge question. In this challenge question, they ask us enter the output of program using the linked list. So you have two source codes. One is play list song, another is call play list song. Based on this name, we can say maybe the call play list song will use the function defined in the play list song. Since they just ask us to run the code and to decide what is going on, what is output, so we really don't need to tap the code, right? So then we assume the code is correct. So this have a playlist song, and the constructor it hold the name and the next playlist song PTR, and then so after that it is have insert after function. So let's say in playlist song, every playlist song do have a function. As a first, we draw the diagram, the class diagram. So this is a playlist song, right? In this playlist song, it included data member and also member function. And what it include? Name, the song name, right? So that is a string. And the next playlist song PTR, and this is the playlist song, right? And then after that, there was specific constructor, playlist song constructor. And so let's just check long constructor. So it have a insert aft, right? And it have a get next, have a print, load data. Okay, so then now we go to this one, right? And so before we go there, let's check insert aft. This one is what we say, if we already have linked list, right? So let's say we have a A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, right? For example, right? And then so you want to insert element. So this is the load. So this is the object of play list song object. And to insert, if we say here, current load is this guy. If you want to insert new, you've got a new load. This new node look, right? So let's use a different color. Since you want to insert this one to here, suppose this guy will point here, and this guy will point here, and this is gone, right? So in that case, which is insertion. So insert in the list. And such that in the code, and what we have, it is, first get a temporary variable, and then retrieve the next vertex of original next vertex. And then you assign this new load next reference to this original next guy, and then assign the current load is next one to this new node. So the order of this one is very important, right? So now let's take a look. It's called how you maintain that, and then we will see what could be results. In the main function, it create a different load, have a head load, right? This is the head load. And let's see, we write it down here. We erase that. Let's make another one. So we have a head. And then they make another one, right? So which is the PAV. And then insert this PAV after the first song, right? So this is the first song, and insert it to here. After that, it is make the fader, right? So you want to insert this one to here. And then you got another one, knock 10. You assign this one to here, right? And then so after that, it is your current loads assigned to be the head objects. This is the head objects, right? This is a head objects. This is the first sum, first sum. Let's erase that. The variable name, right? Okay, so you insert the first sum in after the head objects. That's really good. Head object, right? And this is the second sum, and this is the third sum, right? Then after that, it is you declare the current object is a head object, and then so print this object and get retrieve the next one and assign to be next one. So this reason, when the print out, it will print head, Beverly, Federer, and Lockton, right? Okay, so now let's take a look. We click start, and now they say they regenerate this code, regenerate similar code, give different data. They ask us what could be output. So based on what we analysis, it will print out each load by each load, right? So which is print out the load value each one by each one. So we just need to tap here, and don't forget about the enter key and double check the writing. What we write here is only letter is missing. Seems okay, right? So now I'm click to check. So in that case, it passed what we have, right? You can see it's the mark, right?